Hey, what's up? Hey.
So where's your yum burger? So let's do mukbang.
Kaya naman.
Ethan, is that Jose Rizal? You know Jose Rizal?
No.
The pambansang bayani in the Philippines. The first president of France. Kaya yan, Ethan?
Huh?
Ethan, kaya? Are you sure? Sure? Okay, let's go!
Go up there.
It's your first time?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh wow, excited siya. Eiffel Tower pa more. Nanigas na kamay mo. Vero tuloy. Really? Eiffel Tower pa more.